Today, I'd like to share with you some insights as to why you need to track and review your time. Over the next 2 weeks, I want you to write down every day in a journal what your day looks like. And why you should do this is because when I started my digital marketing business, I was working a full-time job. I was working 40 hours a week. I was working on a Saturday and a Sunday with McDonald's, making coffees in their cafe. And at night time, I was creating content, generating leads and closing leads via email. I was hustling, doing the work that I needed to do to get the result that I needed. I did not have a lot of spare time left in my day, but how I did all this was by time blocking. And what do I mean by time blocking? I was tracking my time every night between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. I was writing down what actions I was taking, whether it be eating dinner with the family, putting the kids to bed, or creating content in my business. And why should you measure your time? You want to know what you're doing with your time. You should be taking action that moves the needle in your business. When you have a 2-hour window to do the income producing activities, then every 15 minutes is measurable. If you have an offer on the table valued at $900 and you're wanting to attract one customer a day, then your time is worth $450 an hour. Every 15-minute increment is $112.50. When you understand how valuable your time is, you'll start to focus on the income producing activities so you can start generating results in your business. So set an alarm on your phone and pay attention to what you're doing every 15 minutes. So when you schedule your time, you're wanting to block out any distractions. Put your phone on airplane mode and close any windows on your computer that you do not need. When you track your time, you'll start to see what you're doing consistently, whether it be habitual or behavior. And you'll be able to identify how you can optimize your time for better performance. For me, I use PermaFocus as an app on a browser on my computer. I set it for 15-minute increments so I can focus on the income producing activities that move the needle in my business. So I want to challenge you to track your time over the next 2 weeks. Now, a lot of people are not going to do this because they're going to think that I don't need to do this. What these people will never realize or discover is how much time they are wasting scrolling on social media. And they'll be the first ones to complain, I don't have enough time. And when you find yourself scrolling on social media, that is the time that you should be creating and not consuming, because creating content is going to move the needle in your business. You can use one of the many tracking apps, a pen and paper or a Google Calendar to help you track your time. Set an alarm on your phone for every 15 minutes. And every time that alarm goes off, write down what have you been doing in the past 15 minutes and how do you feel about what you've just been doing. On a scale of 1 to 10, make sure you rate how you've been feeling about what you've been doing. And it's so important to write down how you feel. When you want to design your lifestyle marketing business to $30,000 months, then you're going to take the time to time block and schedule your time. You will identify the tasks that you've been doing and how you feel around those tasks, because I can guarantee in 6 months from now, you will become unstoppable. At the end of the day, look at your time. What were you doing in the last 2 hours? How much time were you scrolling through social media? Be honest and truthful with yourself. Were you excited and happy about your day? Maybe you were frustrated or overwhelmed. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your day? And what actions can you do tomorrow to optimize your day? Because time is your most valuable resource. You have to get really good at using and leveraging your time. And you need to become an expert at optimizing your day and your feelings around designing your lifestyle marketing business, so you can have a 10 out of 10 day every day. So today, I want you to time block your day. Every 30 minutes, write down what you've been doing. Whether it's having breakfast with the family or creating short form content for your business. Write down how that activity made you feel and then rate it out of 10. Then tonight, review your day and rate your day out of 10, because I want to help you design your lifestyle marketing business. It doesn't matter if you've got a full-time job and you're wanting to start your online business. Make sure that you do this. You're going to find the time in your day to design your lifestyle marketing business to $30,000 months. You'll find habits and behaviors in yourself, and you'll discover the cool things in life that make you smile every day. And you're going to discover the cool things in life that make you smile every day and feel pumped up and excited. So when you're ready to design your lifestyle marketing business around your family and all the cool things that make you smile, then smash that subscribe button because I want to help you launch and scale your lifestyle marketing business to $30,000 months. And I'd like to share with you the plan to get you there.